Hi, I'm Emma and I'm the founder and Chief Cookie Officer at Sweet Mickie. Sweet Mickie is a cookie company and a feel-good gift brand. We specialise in feel-good treats delivered Australia-wide. Sweet Mickie began from my home kitchen. I started making Valentine's Day cookies for my friends. I got inspiration from retro candy hearts and I started writing sarcastic messages on them, and it grew from there. We sell our products mainly online, so we ship Australia-wide, and we also allow pick-up at our store in Collingwood. We ship hundreds of orders each week to all areas of Australia, and then every day a lot of those are the curated gifts in which we use Signet's packaging. We use the Geami honeycomb wrap to wrap the fragile items, and then they're placed inside our gift boxes. We use the Geami because it's recyclable and it meets our requirements to eliminate plastic from our packaging. Sustainability is really important to our business. We always want to make sure we're removing plastic and making sure that our packaging is recyclable, and that's something that's really important to our customers as well. Since we started using Signet's packaging, we've seen a massive reduction in breakages in transit, so our product is arriving nice and safe. And last of all, our product looks great when it arrives.